Hello viewers, in this video, I am going to cover new tab, under File menu. Let's begin. I am going to click on File menu. New tab. We can create new document by selecting different templates related to business, personal, planners and trackers, lists, budgets, charts and financial management. Also, we can search online for templates and create an Excel workbook. I hope you enjoyed the video. You can buy eBook on Microsoft Excel interview questions from the Amazon link given in the description below. Please like this video, click on subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any video updates. Thanks for watching this video.